Neovalani and Lake Bognia are going to conduct their drama. The topic is mobile is a slow poison.
Life is a lovely gift from God. We must be cherished it. But nowadays children are engaging their valuable time in social media. The colors in the screen have dampened their brain. Inside a small cell phone is just a stupid box. But the spectrum of a successful life lies in the human relationship and friendship. Sing on at home. Nitya's mother. Nitya, how long I have been calling you? Never respond to my call. What are you doing here? Please don't disturb me. I am playing Free Fire game. Your mind is never free. What do you mean by Free Fire?
Come on, give me the mobile phone.
Please, mommy, please. Yeah, I got my phone. Nitya, look up. Don't be busy with your phone. See you at school. Teachers, students